everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how I made this space themed cake topper. I'm going to be opening Cricut Design Space. I got all of my images on Cricut Assets. I'm changing the color of the moon, of the astronaut, and of the rocket. I'm uploading the rest of my files. In my previous video I showed you guys how I added a shadow to the name and to the number. So right now I'm just going to be arranging them. I forgot to add some stars here, but I did add them to the final project. I'm also going to be adding a shadow to my cake topper. So I'm going to select all of it and put it in the middle. I'm going to go to the menu, settings, and I'm going to turn off the grid. Now I'm going to take a screenshot of my screen. For Mac, press and hold Shift, Command, and 4. And select the area I want to take a screenshot of. I'm going to place it onto Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to be cropping it, and I'm going to be duplicating the layer. To do that, hold Option or Alt on a PC and drag down. I'm going to be locking the copy layer. Now I'm going to be doing image trace. I'm going to do 16 colors. I'm going to expand the image and ungroup it. I'm going to be deleting the outer box, and I'm just going to be checking that all the lines are smooth. I forgot to do a copy on my image tray, so don't forget to do a duplicate of that. I'm going to select all of it and do Pathfinder Unite. I'm going to be changing the color of it, and then you want to select all of it again and do Object Path, Offset Path. And I'm going to be doing 10 points, joins round. I'm going to select all of it and do Pathfinder Unite. I'm just checking to make sure everything is smooth. Now I'm going to copy and paste, and then select the bottom one and do Object Path, Offset Path. I'm going to be doing 15 points. And now I'm going to be selecting again all of it at the bottom, and I'm going to be doing Pathfinder Unite. I'm going to be changing the color of it. I'm just going to arrange the blue one to the front, and I'm just going to be adjusting the sizes. Since I forgot to do a duplicate of my image trace in the beginning, I'm going to be doing this one from the lock layer. So I just unlocked it, and I'm going to be deleting the white box, selecting all of it, and this is just to see how everything's gonna look. I'm going to delete the image, and I'm going to be saving the file as a SVG, and I'm going to be uploading it onto Cricut Design Space. I forgot to record this part in the beginning, but it's how I added the image to the number 2. I'm going to be using Photoshop. I got this image on Google Images. I just looked up outer space background pattern. I'm going to be using the text tool, the font Arial Black, points 200. I'm going to be adjusting it to the middle. There's 3 layers that you need. The background layer, which is the white layer I have, the image layer, and the text layer. You want your text layer to be in the middle and your image layer to be on the top. On the image layer, you're going to create a clipping mask. You want to hold Option or Alt. When you do that, a little arrow is going to be pointing down to the text layer. Now you can adjust it to however you want your number to look like. Now I'm going to be saving it as 2 files, PNG and SVG. I'm going to be uploading the PNG onto Cricut Design Space. I'm going to place the SVG onto Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to ungroup it and delete the other layer it came with. With the text tool, I'm going to be typing the number 2 with the same font, which is Arial Black. I'm going to be adjusting the size to the same as the image one. Then to the text, we're going to do object expand, object path, offset path. Then you want to select it, and you want to do Pathfinder Unite, and then change the color. And that's how you do the shadow for the number. Now I'm going to be saving it as a SVG and upload it onto Cricut Design Space. For some reason, Cricut does not read my image number 2. That's why I uploaded it as a PNG earlier. I'm going to put the cake topper together. I'm going to be using some foam tape I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be doing double foam tape. Do not put foam tape in the middle just like I did, because that's where your stick is supposed to go in. I got these stirring sticks on Amazon. I'll link them down below. I'm just gonna use some hot glue and put it in the middle. So this is how the cake topper turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos.